Hello, welcome to my home lab. In this video, I explain how to use the SSH config file. We start the video on our Windows PC in the terminal. We want to create a connection to our Linux server. SSH, the name and the path from the SSH key, sometimes the port, the user, and the domain name or IP address from the server. If you have multiple servers, it's not always easy to remember the commands. Today we fix this. On our Windows PC, in the home directory .ssh, we have a config file. This config file is created in one of the first videos on our channel. If we open the file, we see we have a host with hostname user server alive and server alive count max. We're going to extend this file to optimize our logins. We have prepared a new config file and explain it step by step. Paste the code. Now we have host my home lab relay. The host name is the domain name or the IP address, the user, the port, the identity file is the SSH key, identifies only yes. Then the second one, the host name my home lab root, the host name, again domain name or IP address, user, now that's root, port 22, identifier is the key, and identify only yes. Save it. Now we can do SSH my home lab and voila, we're inside with the simple command. We exit, we do it again, but now with the root. You remember from our last video, root has a passphrase. You give it. And voila, also inside with the simple command. This was it for today. Don't forget to support the channel, subscribe, and like the video. See you next time. Thank you very much.